Hello viewers, in this video I will explain to you the features of CareTrade plans and how you can subscribe. So let's begin. CareTrade platform offers a stream of fresh and intraday trading and investment ideas anytime during market hours. It uses tons of data to generate reliable trading and investment ideas for you. CareTrade offers two types of plans. One is intraday plan and the second is investment plan. Let's understand this one by one. The CareTrade intraday plan offers you unlimited access to high conviction trading ideas with a 1:2 risk reward benefit and a 50% accuracy. It provides end-to-end trade strategy and execution from buy to sell with a fixed target and a stop loss. You can subscribe to CareTrade's 1-month starter pack at just ₹1. Thereafter, you can subscribe to our monthly package or the annual package. Monthly packs cost ₹1,500 and will be billed monthly, which amounts to ₹18,000 per annum. But if you subscribe to the annual plan, you get a 50% upfront discount, which will cost you just ₹9,000 and will be billed once annually. Now, let's understand about CareTrade's investment plan. This plan offers unlimited access to high conviction stock investment ideas with a 1:4 risk reward benefit and a 70% accuracy. This plan also provides end-to-end trade strategy and execution from buy to sell with a fixed target and a stop loss. You can subscribe to the CareTrade investment plan on a monthly or annual basis. The monthly pack costs ₹1,000 and will be billed monthly, which amounts to ₹12,000 per annum. But if you subscribe to our annual plan, you get a 50% upfront discount, which will cost you just ₹6,000 and will be billed once annually. The best part is that in case you don't make money on investment plan recommendations, we offer a 100% fee refund guarantee. If you wish to subscribe to any of these plans, then download the CareTrade app from the Play Store or App Store and log in using your Samco account credentials. In case you are not a Samco customer, you can register yourself on www.caretrade.com. The process is easy and won't take more than 5 minutes. After logging to the app, you will find two plans. In this illustration, we will activate the investment plan starter pack at just ₹1. Please note that the steps for activating both plans will remain the same. Now, tap on Begin Starter Pack and press Yes to confirm. Now, you can select the subscription pack you wish to opt for, monthly or annual pack, after the starter pack ends. Please note that you don't have to pay anything now. Then, tap on Proceed to review the subscription summary and click on Continue to confirm. Now, you can set up a mandate so that your subscription amount can be debited from your registered bank account. This will help you avoid any interruptions. You can also skip this step for now. So that's it. Your starter pack is now activated. You can begin investing in the recommended ideas on the CareTrade app. I hope this video was informative. If you need any assistance, feel free to call us on 022 2222 7777 or raise a ticket on www.samco.in/support. Thank you.